Hi, it's me again, Sil Sims, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hand sanitizer. But before that, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell button to notify you whenever I release a new video. Here's all we need: 91% isopropyl alcohol, aloe vera soothing gel. They said the lowest percentage of alcohol that you can use making hand sanitizer is only 70%. And then we're gonna use an empty silicone bottle, glass just for mixing, measuring cup, and a spoon. First, we're going to put aloe vera. I'm going to put the measurement in the description below. You can use any aloe vera that you want, or you can also use a fresh aloe vera. Some people use essential oil to put on their hand sanitizer, but my aloe vera is already scented, so I decided not to use it. Next, we're going to add an alcohol. And start mixing it using my spoon. It's still kind of jelly, so I decided to add a little bit more of alcohol. They said the more alcohol, the better. It's done, and now it's ready to transfer to our silicone bottle. You can find this bottle into a dollar store or Walmart. And there it is, my DIY hand sanitizer.